In the heart of Bengaluru, where tradition meets modern life, stands a name that has been cherished by generations, Priyadarshini Restaurant. For decades, Priyadarshini has been more than just a restaurant. It has been a meeting place for families, friends, travelers, and food lovers seeking authentic vegetarian cuisine prepared with care and consistency. Located in the bustling Majestic area, the restaurant has built its reputation on quality, hospitality, and unforgettable flavors. From the aroma of freshly brewed filter coffee to the golden crispness of a perfectly prepared masala dosa, every dish tells a story of culinary tradition.
Yeah, this is a hotel starting from 1940. So this is a older one. So every people will like to come here. The taste is no change from 40 years. So people are coming here, having a food, and they are giving feedback very fine. The people who are visiting here, those people are very old customers. So since from 30 years, 15 years, 20 years like that. So Priyadarshini is near Ramakrishna Hotel. So everyone, those people are coming from outside, they like to come here only, they visit here and they giving a good feedback. The people will know everyone here and what we are serving, fast servicing is there, food is are very clear and the taste is very fine. They like the food to eat here. Those who are eating here, they are giving the feedback like that. The food is no change. We are coming from 15 years, 20 years like that. So this is the way here. Management is very good, servicing is very fast, and the people are here. We are talking very friendly. So this is the hotel. Those people will like.
Generations of customers have walked through these doors, creating memories over breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Many who visited as children now return with their own family. What sets Priyadarshini apart is its unwavering commitment to quality. Every ingredient is carefully selected, every recipe is prepared with attention to detail, and every guest is welcomed with warmth and respect.
Come here to have a good and tasty food. We oftenly come here because the food is very tasty and the way of service is very good. Performance good, the quality is good, the ambience is good.
It is this dedication that has earned the trust and loyalty of thousands of patrons over the years. The menu celebrates the rich heritage of South Indian vegetarian cuisine while maintaining the authentic flavors that customers have loved for generations.
I don't come here often, but today my friend suggested that this place is good, so we had a masala dosa. It was really good. Thank you.
Whether it's a comforting plate of idli and vada, a signature dosa, traditional sweets, or a refreshing beverage, every meal is crafted to deliver satisfaction and delight. At Priyadarshini, service is not just a responsibility, it is a tradition. The friendly smiles, prompt attention, and genuine care for every guest have made the restaurant a beloved destination for locals and visitors alike. Today, as Bengaluru continues to grow and evolve, Priyadarshini remains a symbol of consistency, authenticity, and excellence. A place where timeless recipes, family values, and exceptional service come together to create an experience that keeps people coming back year after year. Priyadarshini Restaurant, serving tradition, creating memories, and celebrating the joy of pure vegetarian dining for generations.